This video will provide instruction on how to install a DeWalt Portaband saw model DWM120 into the Portaband Pro jig. For more information, consult the included instructions or contact us at 641-628-3830. First, unplug the saw. Use a 9/16 wrench to remove the top plate and headlock and loosen the bolts on the lower base plate so it can move back and forth. Detach the trigger arm with an 11/32 wrench and a 3/32 hex key. Unhitch the chain and move the jig to the upright position. Pull down the top of the gas shock and remove it. Gently set the jig fully upright. Back off the side knobs and install the end caps. Be sure that the stock hook on the side of the saw has been removed if your model has one. Thread the entire cord through the hole and back plate. Next, thread the handle on the saw through the handle on the top of the jig. Slide the saw into the frame rails until the trigger handle rests on the bottom of the cutout. Tighten the knobs on either side so the arms can touch the handle. Make sure they are firm but not over tightened. Reinstall the top plate and headlock. Attach the trigger arm, being sure to move the latch out of the way before sliding it in. Test to make sure the trigger arm works by pulling it back into the on position, then releasing the latch. Briefly close the jig and pull any excess cord through the hole, then reopen the jig. To adjust the blade, move the upright portion of the saw to the end of the table, allowing the lower section of the jig to hang off the edge. Pull the bottom of the jig up so it is in the closed position. Check if the blade is hitting the sides of the cutouts. If it is, loosen the 3 adjuster bolts at the bottom of the plate with a 3/4 inch wrench. Move the plate so the saw blade is centered and retighten the bolts. The blade can be further squared by adjusting the knobs on each side. Firmly tighten the knobs and adjuster bolts once the blade is squared. Tilt the jig back to its side and reinstall the gas shock. To install the optional table, unscrew the existing guide and remove it. Slide the bar forward, then attach the table with the same screws. The optional material clamp can be installed by simply sliding it into the slot on the bottom of the jig. For more information, please call us at 641-628-3830